This is from AJHD. I remember this guy. Whoa. Oh, no. All right, so we didn't get to see what happened before. Okay, so he was half asleep. Okay. We didn't see what happened prior to that. We don't know how he got himself into that situation. You can kind of see from back there. We can kind of see from that line right there. Maybe he was lane filtering. Right in the chat, what do you think that bike is? Let's see if we can get some people. There's a hint right there on the tank. Kind of want to do some detective stuff. We want to do some detective stuff. So remember, guys, what we're doing here is we're doing after action reviews. We're going to go through the footage. We're going to figure out what happened, right or wrong, whatever it is. So we can kind of see, you know, there's that rider right there. So we're lane filtering. We got to the front. Now, this is the situation we're in. So what do you guys think? This driver right here is waiting to get into line, okay? So they're going to stay there because they can't get in. So as a rider, what are we trying to do here? Are we trying to get from point A to point B as fast as possible? It's not going to be the most beneficial thing. So right here, what I would do is probably go on the back side. Where does it go? Anyways, I'd go on the back side and go around. I know you have the straight shot there, but you're going to see what kind of happens. Or I just wait, okay? Or I just wait. Whenever I'm walking my dog, I don't like to get in front of the people. I kind of like get behind them. I don't know. I'll explain that a little bit better later. But anyways, let's go. So there's that gap that was created by this driver to allow this person in. What do you think this person was looking at? Boom. Thank you, buddy. Let me in. I'm going to go. We get tippity tap tap. Now he's going to rev bomb. That's not going to help him out in the situation. Horn, probably not going to help him out in the situation. Getting yourself in that position definitely did not help you out in this situation. So right here, kind of go and wait a little bit, get acknowledgement from this driver and go ahead and start moving. AJHD, he's done some pretty good stuff. So this was just kind of a mistake. Now, what stage do you think he was in? What stage do you think he's in when you see this right here? I was half asleep and stupid enough to think she saw me coming. Early morning, people aren't awake. They didn't have any type of caffeine in them, you know, stuff like that. I want to say thank you to RevZilla for being a sponsor of this channel. Click the link in the description. No extra cost to you. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. So if you're going to buy gear anyways on RevZilla and you want to get some gear, click that link and help out. Like I said, no cost to you. I'll see you guys around.